Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by inserting the image into your slide and keeping a duplicate as a backup. Once done, select the image and make sure it's roughly sized where you want it. This speeds up masking. You use Insert Image and choose Upload or Drive, depending on source, so file integrity stays intact. Now you're ready for the first actionable edit. Crop and rough shape the visible area to remove large, unwanted background sections before refining with more precise tools. Next, you refine the trimmed image using crop and mask tools to approximate the subject. First, use the crop handles to remove big chunks. This is fast and preserves image quality. Then open the mask menu to choose predefined shapes or the custom polygon to trace the subject more precisely. This gives you cleaner silhouettes. If edges are complex, layer multiple masks or overlay shapes with transparent fills to simulate cutouts. This avoids external editors and keeps everything in slides. Finally, you tidy the composite and export or place the cutout where needed. If you want true transparency, download the object as a PNG with transparency via file download after isolating it on a blank slide. Make sure to check edges. If they look jagged, remask at higher zoom or start with a larger image for better results. If slides cannot achieve the transparency you need, troubleshoot by re-uploading the original or finishing the cut in a quick external background remover, then re-import.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.